States, gay couples may be able to legally tie the knot in Virginia as early as next week. A federal appeals court already struck down the state's law defining marriage as between one man and one woman. Now the court has refused to stay the decision or put it on hold. Jason Calvi is at the Prince William County Courthouse tonight with the story. Jason?
Brian, same-sex couples could be coming here on Thursday to ask for marriage licenses, but the county clerk of court, as well as her lawyers, are asking the U.S. Supreme Court to intervene to put these gay marriages on hold, at least temporarily.
All we're asking the Supreme Court here to do is to put the brakes on.
Alliance Defending Freedom is asking the U.S. Supreme Court for an emergency delay. They represent the Prince William County Clerk, Michelle McQuigg.
She respects the rule of law, and she has an obligation as a clerk to make sure that she is compliant with the rule of law. And so it's critical then that the Supreme Court carefully consider this question.
This request goes right to Chief Justice John Roberts, who oversees this region. He has a couple options here. He can either temporarily delay gay marriages while the appeals process continues, or the Chief Justice could deny the delay. That would mean gay marriages would start here in Virginia next Thursday. Tony London, a plaintiff against the so-called same-sex marriage ban, explained why this matters to him back in February.
We are no different than anybody else out here. We just want the opportunity to be recognized the same way everyone else is and to have the same benefits that married couples have.
Virginia Delegate Bob Marshall wrote the state constitutional amendment in 2006. He wants to keep the law as voters approved it.
The people of this country have got to stand up and say, you know what? This is preposterous. Only a man can marry a woman. And to alter that is really to tell the Creator that you didn't know what you're doing.
And I was just in the clerk's office, and they said they're not doing any interviews on this topic. But the clerk's attorneys tell me they do expect a delay. They do expect the Supreme Court to issue a delay on those gay marriages. That's what's happened in 2 other cases. But Brian, if that delay does not come by Thursday, then I'm told that the clerk or one of her deputies will be forced to issue those marriage licenses on Thursday.
All right, Jason Calvi reporting from Virginia tonight, and after nearly a week